How to fix quick steps keep stopping. So the Quickstep is of course, the Android system launcher or gesture component that controls your home screen. With that, it was also the app drawer, the recent app screen, and the swipe navigation. It's usually, of course, not a virus, and when it keeps stopping, your phone launcher is crashing. Often after a system update, let's say bad launcher data or a conflict with another launcher. So the first thing you can do is to just try restarting your phone. This can clear a temporary launcher crash. So other than that, what you're gonna do is to hold your power button for, let's say, around 5 to 10 seconds until you see this kind of a screen, and then you just restart your phone. Another thing you can do is to just clear your quick step cache. So go ahead here into your settings, go inside apps, go to the top right, and make sure you show all apps since it is going to be a system service. Then just go ahead and search for Quickstep, like so. And then you're gonna go ahead and just clear the data here in the bottom right corner. You can clear its cache as well. And finally, if there is, you could check for a system update and you could update the Quickstep or reset it only if needed. And if the error still makes the phone unusable, you could try backing up your data and consider a factory reset. But you could always go ahead and try installing another launcher. But those are a few options you can put in mind if you are having this error or problem. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.